Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys have been doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be trying out a headband wig. HerGivenHair actually reached out to me and sent me one of their headband wigs, and I'm super excited to try it and review it for you guys. As you guys know, I've had my struggles with wigs. I've struggled with like thinning edges and like breakage on my edges with wigs. So I was really excited when I heard about this concept of the headband wig because you don't have to glue anything down. You don't have to deal with any like laces that you have to glue down. So yeah, it seems like it's going to be a really good option for when I just don't have time to do something with my hair and I just want to throw something on that I don't have to, you know, struggle with. So yeah, I'm super excited to try it. So this is the wig that I got. I really wanted to try out their coily texture because I haven't tried it out. The curls are really nice and really natural looking. HerGivenHair just has really good kinky and curly hair. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. They also sent me a few headbands to try on with the wigs, which are really cute. This is a really cute one. This one is like, oh my god. And this is a really cute cheetah print one. And then there's a black version of that. So we're gonna go ahead and try the wig on. I'm gonna put on a wig cap. Yeah, so just get it as flat as possible. And we're gonna go ahead and put on the wig. They have combs in here. I don't know if I'm gonna use the combs. They also have this band and you can resize the band. You can make it fit your head. And there's also a headband on the wig that is just plain black that you can Velcro on the back. So you can put whatever headband you want to put over it. So you guys, I actually just went off camera to do my edges. It was gonna take too long to do it on camera and I totally forgot to do it before I got on here. So yeah, I did my edges. I just laid them with some edge control. I used the Eben New York edge control for my edges. So I just did that, and I also pushed the wig cap a little bit further back. So that's also what you want to do with the headband wigs because you are going to have the front of your hair out. And then, yeah, so we are ready to put on the wig. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on the wig. So this is what the wig looks like with just the band that comes on the wig itself. It's nice and secure. I'm not even using the combs, but if you want to use the combs for more security, you definitely can. But you can resize the band to fit you and you won't even need to do that, which I think is going to be better for, you know, the health of my hair. But yeah, I think it looks really cute already. But I'm excited to go ahead and try all the headbands, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to first start with the black one, just so we can get the blacks out of the way, and then we can really get into the cute ones. But this is cute too. I think it's really nice and basic, so yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. So this is what it looks like. So now let's go ahead and try this cheetah print one. This one's super cute. It is like two bands and they're attached in the back. So this one's gonna be cute. I think I have a cute idea of how we can wear it too. So we're just gonna put it on normally first. Ooh. That is cute. Do you guys like? That is really cute. So, yeah, you guys, that's so cute. And I feel like it definitely looks really natural. So let's actually try what I wanted to try with this headband, which is to do like a double band. So this is another way that you can wear this headband, which I think is so cute. Sorry if the lighting keeps changing, you guys. The sun is being so rude right now. So the next headband that I'm gonna try is this teal and green one. This pattern is so cute. This is probably my favorite out of all three of these. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Oh my god, you guys! This is so cute. Do you guys like? This is how it looks close up. I just really like this headband wig idea. I feel like it's honestly what we needed. Let me get my hair tie and let's see if we can actually put this up because the headband does cover the back, so you could technically wear this up. So I'm gonna just get my hair tie and let's see if we can see what that looks like. Okay, so I got my hair tie, so let's go ahead and put this up and see what that looks like. See if we can do a little puff. So that's what it looks like when you put it up. My camera just shut off, but this is what it looks like when I took my hair out of the bun and just like did a puff. So I have just a band and this looks super cute too. But I think this hair is way too long to actually do a high puff with it. If you get a shorter length, then you'll be able to do a high puff. But this one's a little too long, so it's kind of drooping down. But let's try to do a half up, half down style, because I think that's gonna be super cute. So this is what a half up, half down style looks like. I think this is so cute, you guys. It's really natural looking, and you can pick out the hair more if you want it to be like bigger. I'm trying not to pick it out too much because I don't want it to be too voluminous. That is pretty much it for this video. As you guys can see, I am filling myself in this wig. I love it. This will be nice for when I just want to go out. The wig is super secure. The curls are super natural. That's what I like about HerGivenHair. I feel like the curls on their hair are just really natural looking. Like it actually like looks really natural. So yeah, they look like real curls, that like ringlets. They don't look too spirally. Like there's just some hair where you can just tell the curls are just like have been engineered and they just don't look real. And I feel like this hair, like the curls look really, really natural. So yeah, definitely check out their hair if you haven't. And all the links will be down below in the description box. And also, you guys, they do have a Black Friday sale coming up. So if you're thinking about getting it, that might be a good time to get it. Maybe save your coin for now and wait for the Black Friday sale to get this wig, but I think it's so worth it. Like, I think it's so worth it. I think this was the solution that we needed to the damage that wigs cause to our edges. I just feel like this is what we needed. And I don't foresee this causing too many problems to my edges since I'm just not putting tension and pressure and glue and just things that don't belong on my edges on my edges. So yeah, super excited to experiment more with this. So let me know what you think about the hair, if you think you're gonna get it. Let me know which headband was your favorite. I personally think this one was my favorite, but I also like this style. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!